Hello, I want to show you how recharge and get paid works. Yesterday, one of my downline who is on my second level referred a prospect to join recharge and get paid. So I want us to look at the inner workings of recharge and get paid and see what happens. Let me explain better what I mean. Look at this diagram. This is me here. This is my upline and other uplines. I don't know them. Now, I referred this person, Ifilolo. I know her, and she referred this person, Done. And now Done referred Prince Udo yesterday. So I want us to see how recharge and get paid works and to show you proof that it is not a scam but real. So without wasting time, let us log into the back office of Prince Udo and see what happens. So we have logged into Prince Udo's back office now. If you go, you see this is him. This is registration bonus from Prince Udo, 1,000 naira, which he got on the 4th of April by 6:34 p.m. Look at it, yeah. Also, he also recharged a VTU top up for Glow number for 500 naira at the same day, 4th of April by 7:40, as you can see here, and voila, he earned a commission immediately. Airtime purchased by Prince Udo, 10 naira commission, as you can see here. I can see the timestamp is the same time, 7:40. Immediately he recharged, he was credited with his bonus commission. That is how recharge and get paid work. But let us see the interesting thing that happens to other people in the system that are connected to Prince Udo. So we'll log out from his account. And let's log into the account of his immediate upline person that registered him, who is Donaire 2006. So as we log in to his account, we see what happens. Now this is Donaire's commission for registering in the first time. Now we are interested in this one. This is 1,000 naira referral commission from Prince Udo here. You can see Prince Udo here, which he earned at exactly the same time, 4th of April at 6:34. Same time. But it doesn't end there. Remember that Prince Udo recharged did a top up of 500 naira. So from that 500 naira, Done now got 1 naira 75 kobo commission earned from bonus from Prince Udo. That is 1 naira 75 kobo represents 0.35% of the amount recharged. And at the same time, 7:40 on the 4th of April. That is the same time that other people were credited when the transaction took place. Now, let us see what happens to Donaire's upline. So Donaire's upline is Ifilolo. Let us look for her and log into her account. As you can see, she has made some commission for referring Donaire, and now we are interested in this. Now she has made a commission of 500 naira because Donaire referred Prince Udo, whom she may or may not know. And look at the timestamp at exactly the same time, 4th of April by 6:34. The same time. It doesn't end there too. For that 500 naira top up that Prince Udo did, she also got a commission of 1.75 kobo, representing 0.35% of the amount recharged at exactly the same time of 740 on the 4th of April. So you see, people are making money from one person that joined and from one person that recharged. It doesn't end there. Let us see what happened in my own account. As I referred, if you know. So we'll go to my own account and I'll log in. My username is in my port. What do you see there? Where I've earned a lot of commissions, I've made some payments. Then now we're interested in this one, Prince Udo. I got a referral commission of 250 naira. Look at it from Prince Udo. Look at the time, 4th of April, 6:34. Exactly the same time stamp as when he registered. Instantaneously were credited. It didn't end there too for me. I also got 1 naira 75 kobo, which represents 0.35% of the amount discharged when Prince Udo did a glow top up of 500 naira. You can see it here. Exactly the same time too, 7:40 on the 4th of April. Since then I've done others. I did a visual top up of 1,000 naira and got commission of 20 naira immediately. This is how it works. Isn't it wonderful? It doesn't end there. So what I'm telling you is that recharge and get paid is real. My upline, whom I don't know, I've never met, also made money when Prince Udo registered. He also made money when Prince Udo recharged, did a global top up. This is how the system works. His own upline also got money up to the person that is 10 level above Prince Udo. This is how the system works. It is real, it's not a scam. It is something that is worth you give your consideration. This company has been in existence for 5 years and have been making many millionaires secretly. Now, in the era of lockdown, it is best thing that can happen to you to join this system, join this program with us, and start making money from home. It is not a scam. It is real. People are making real money from this in their house. Even if the person you refer or you decided not to refer another person, but just to use this platform alone, that person will not regret, because immediately you join 5,000 naira, you get 1,000 naira, which you can use to recharge, just like Prince Udo did. From the 1,000 naira he got, he recharged 500 naira to somebody and got paid, and he got commission too. So if you do just recharge your phone in 4 or 5 months time, at most 1 year's time, you will have recovered your money back and be in profit. So you cannot, nobody will cry foul. This company is going from strength to strength. So you will do well to join and make money from the comfort of your home. Now, more than 50% of Nigerians living in the city are not sure of their daily income because they are locked in. They can't go out. They are in their home. So it will be wonderful to make money from home, even after the lockdown and corona has come and gone. You will not regret it. In fact, your regret will be delaying to join, because as this business is spreading, you are going to hear it often and often, and at a point you'll be forced to join, but then you have lost so much. So make haste and join us now and thank me later. If you are interested, you can reach me through WhatsApp on the number showing on the screen now, and I'll get back to you. Just give me a shout out on WhatsApp and I'll get back to you. Let us make money together. Now think about the person that is at the 10th level above Prince Udo. He made 1 naira 75 kobo from his recharge. This man may have about 100,000 or even 500,000 people under him, and every day he doesn't know them, they are recharging, he's making money. This is the beauty about recharge and get paid. You make passive money. After you have worked the system for a while, money just keep on rolling into your account without doing anything. So I know some people that make close to 1 million every month without doing anything. They don't refer people anymore. Just their team is building for them and they are making money. So come and join recharge and get paid. They not say you should do anything differently. Just keep on charging the way you're recharging. Only that what they're saying is do it smarter. Recharge and get paid is showing a smarter way to recharge your phone and get paid for it. The way you refer people, when you tell people about it and they join, you get rewarded with commissions. And as your team grows, you got rewarded for leadership incentives like Dubai trip, car awards, housing funds. It's a wonderful system. Reach me and I will show you more about the business. Do not hesitate to join. It's a wonderful business. May Corona not locate you and I, so that at the end of this pandemic, we will take count and will not be found missing. Thank you and God bless. Bye.